Hi student, I am Asit Tiwari. Today in the ninth class, Democratic Politics. This is our first lesson, what democracy and why democracy. In the series of arguments of the democracy, today I will discuss the arguments for the democracy. Means I will tell and I will also advocate some conditions which make the democracy as a very unique government or as a very ideal government. And we have a lot of comments, we have a lot of we'll say powerful statement and very important sentences which will make it proof or make it very we'll say ideal that a democracy is a very unique form of the government in the whole world. Because if you see the alternative of the democracy, you will see there that democracy have a lot of shortcomings, but if you compare it widely in the comparison of all alternatives in the world of the democracy, you will find there that democracy is the very unique form of the government which has ever, you will say, made in the earth. Means this is the government, if it is in the right hand, if it is in the true hand, if it is in the gentle hand, then it can make its own ways. Otherwise, if it is in the wrong hand, obviously it will bring the negative result. So student, we have a different we'll say logics, we have a different type of the arguments about the democracy. Means why it is very favorable form of the government in the future or in the 20th century or the 21st century. So we have a look over the arguments. A democratic government is a better government because it is a more accountable form of the government. So student, why it is very accountable means why it is very responsible government, because number one, there are opposition parties, and opposition parties they realize the government means ruling party that they have to do well, otherwise the option is available in the country. So obviously the political parties as a ruling party become more and more accountable, and they just get the very favorable way to work well for the people of the country. Second things, multi-party elections. Multi-party elections are the kind of way which make the ruling party very accountable, because the multi-party elections where the political parties have a very will say strong competition, or you can say there is a power play in the democracy with the different type of the political parties which make the different kind of the views, that is called the you will say in logical you will say statement which become the principle of the democracies or the political parties, and which are presented among the voters or the citizens in the country as a you will say declaration, as a kind of promises which reflect the ideology of the political parties. So there are different type of the political parties available in the country, and there is a wide range of the peoples like the country India, and they have a better choice, and if they have not the better choice, so there is arrangement also by the Indian democracy that they can choose the kind of options. They cannot choose any party, means they can use the nota, means they can use the kind of way to reject the all political party. They are not rejecting the democracy of the country, they are rejecting the political parties, because political parties are the kind of bearers or the carriers to bring the democracy in the whole country. So in such a way the democratic government become the more accountable government. Next thing is that freedom of the press to critics the government policies. That is very important thing which has been seen, because in China, Russia and many of the countries where there is not the democracy, or in the Saudi Arabia or the Middle East countries where there is not the kind of freedom of the press, means if the press is not free in the democratic country or any country where, so press have the very biggest role to bring the kind of scrutinizing you will say work of the government in front of the people of the country. If the things are not inculcating well by the government, by the ruling parties, so who will do it? Obviously it will done by the media. It will done by the printing media, electronic media, means the kind of fourth pillar of the democracy, means they have the kind of way to bring the actualities of the government in front of the people, so that the people have the kind of acknowledgement about the work of the ruling parties and they can take the better decision, and various other things can be done by the press. Next one thing is that respond on the need of the people, because the people have a different type of the needs, and political parties as a ruling parties they respond on the people's needs, means there are different type of the work has been done in the has been done by the political parties, because there are different type of the level as a federalism, where the central government, state government and local government they can also bring the kind of problems of the people of the local areas, so that if the problem of the people are not solved out by the central level government, then local problem will be solved by the local government, local ruling you will say objectives. Next thing is that democracy improve the quality of decision making, means there are the different type of the ways to bring the things to the public in a very better way, because there are different type of the procedure which has been applied. These procedure are known as a rules and regulations, and rules and regulation go through the process of consultation decisions, and where there are a long round of the talks has been done in the parliament, in the Lok Sabha, Raj Sabha, then the 50% states have to be involved in the decision making process, and then the things come into the actualities or come into the you will say ruling process or the law process, where the things has to be turned into the laws, but there will be a long times has been spent. If you compare it with the non-democratic governments, though they have not need to bother with this type of the you will say phenomena, because democracy have the kind of this phenomena to go through the long process of the talks, long process of the consultation, long process of the discussions, where there is the time has been spent, and time which is going to be spent have the kind of worth, because when the time has been taken in the democracy, in the procedure of the consultation, in the procedure of the discussions, then number of peoples who are affected by the government are benefited by the steps of the government. These steps are very very favorable for the people of the country. Taken time in the procedure reduce the possibilities of mistakes. When the time has been taken in the democracy, then different type of the people has been involved. If you see the process in the parliament, the things has to be done in the Lok Sabha with the 1/10, with the 1/3, with the 2/3 you will say majority of the you will say parliamentarian, and they have to show their commitment towards the laws, towards the kind of rules and regulations. Then the process will be applied in the second house, and then it will be get the consent of the president. Then president, after giving his consent, the things will be also repeated in the more than 50% states, and there are the kind of way which has been used. It is the time, and time where the all people, mostly the all people are going to be benefited, but there is not the guarantee that 100% people will be able to get the you will say benefit, because there is the largest proportion of the people to get the benefit from the work of democratic government. Okay student, that is the very important things. Next one, the you will say democracy provide a method to deal with the differences and conflict. That is the nature of the democracy, because the democracy have to deal with the different type of the situation, different type of the condition, different type of the will say process. So peaceful solution of the diverse problems means India type of the country where there is a varied differentiations, varied you will say differences has been seen in the country. So obviously democracy become more and more will say alert, and democracy have to take all the things in favor of the whole people, because if the democracy applied the partialities, then only the one communities can be get the benefit. In such a way, the ruling party faces many kind of the troubles from the people of the country, so they cannot reject the whole communities. They can you'll say accept the interest of all people of the country. So in such a way, rulers are not permanent, because rulers who are ruling in the country, they are very keen to do their work, because if their work are not very well, then they have the fear to change in the next elections. In such a way, this type of the fairness in the democracy make them more and more accountable. So the losers have the major possibilities to come in the power, because in democracy, if the elections are held in the country and the ruling party have the major possibilities to lose in the election, it means there is a true democracy. It means there is a true systems has been run in the country. So it means the rulers who have not the kind of tendency in their mind of the permanency, means they don't remain in the country for a long time, means the oppositions, means the losers who are the loser, means those who have lost the elections in the general elections, so they will come up in the main scenario of the country in the next time, because democracy give them the lots of opportunities. Because ruling party, if it is not doing the work well, then it is the kind of opportunities which will be encashed by the it will be encashed by the opposition parties. So that is very important things. Next one, democracy enhance the dignity of citizen, means democracy which improve the political equalities. All are people equal, people are the rulers themselves, means there are different type of the things has been seen, that people who have the value of one vote and one vote, means there is not the kind of differences among the rich and poor. All the people are equal in the eyes of laws and democracy also, because whatever they are rich or whatever they are poor, but they have the one right of the vote, and their worth of the vote is very equal. Whatever you are a poor people, whatever you are Anil Ambani or Mukesh Ambani, but your worth of the vote is very equal. It means there is a political equalities. Next one thing is that all are equal, means there is not the kind of differences between the people by the democracy, because democracy have the only one eyes, and that eyes cannot compare the people. That is very important things. And people, those who are the rulers, those who rule themselves, means people, they particular people are not ruling in the country, whole the people are ruling themselves in the countries, but indirectly, because people have the real command in their hand indirectly, and the command in what it means, I am using this command in the form of elections, because elections make them very I will say acknowledged, very powerful, so that they can use it in the 5 period tenures against the ruling parties, and ruling party can not remain the myth in their mind that they are the real ruler of the country. Real ruler actually the people of the country are. Next one, democracy is better than alternative, because it allows us to correct its own mistakes. Means either rulers change their decision, or rulers can be changed. Means the rulers who are ruling in the country, if the decision not best in the country, so obviously they can be changed by the people of the country. So there is the one best way by the rulers, that they should change their mistakes. Means what the mistake they had committed in the country, what the mistake they have done in the country, so these mistakes must be resolved by the ruling parties, ruler groups. In such a way, the government which is ruling in the country have the kind of commitment not to have the mistakes in the country, because they have the fear to lose themselves in the power. So obviously democracy is the best government form, and the alternatives are totally bogus and totally losers. Democracy can work very patiently. You cannot get the result from the democracy very instantly. You can get the result from the democracy in a very passing of time, because as you can spend in the democracy, as you will get the good result. Thank you to listening me. Thank you to watching me.